Namaskaram, London. I'm Aryan from Arthashastragurukul. The advantage of learning astronomics is it's a very easy job. Why? Arthashastragurukul teach you how to get mastery on that psychology. We are coming in London for a couple of days. We are going to host this workshop. Join there, experience it. Namaskaram, London. I'm Aryan from Arthashastragurukul. Arthashastra is economics. Gurukul is a school. So it's an economic school. We teach economics in Vedic way. We teach astronomics. What is astronomics? Economics with astronomy. A Vedic way of seeing the market. Economy. Now, the advantage of learning astronomics is to focus the market in advance. Being a trader or investor, if you are able to see the market in advance, then 90% of your job is done, right? If you are a trader, investor, financial professional, hedge fund manager, portfolio manager, or asset management companies, what is your objective? Buying things in low and selling on high, or selling on high, buy low. How can you do that? If you start seeing the market in 360 degree, if you start looking the market in Vedic way, it's a very easy job. Why? Economics is always a two-dimensional model, right? One is the price dimension, the other one is the timing dimension. Now, in all the existing universities or educational institutions, you only learn about the price axis, that is the 50% of economics. Nobody teach you about the timing part, the x-axis, the time, right? But time is the main reason of that price. Time is the main factor that determine what this price is going to be. Time is the only factor that determine the movement, bullish, bearish, consolidation, everything. But no economic school, business school, or the stock market course provider giving you that knowledge. And that is why Arthashastragurukul is all about. Arthashastragurukul teach you economics in 360 degree. So with this application, you will be able to see the market, economics, or all the financial instrument, whether it's a Bitcoin, Ethereum, or index, currency, stocks in advance. You'll be able to focus this market in much prior to the actual happenings. And the other most important part, if you go through all the books written by whether W.D. GANN, Alexander Elder, Napoleon Hill, or Graham, you will see they all talk about psychology, right? Because success of an individual in the stock market or investing depends largely on the psychological part. Everybody is talking about that, but nobody is teaching you how to do that, how to get that psychological part, how to get master on that psychological part. Here Arthashastragurukul play a major role. Arthashastragurukul teach you how to get mastery on that psychology with financial yoga, meditation, and mudras. These are all the techniques and technologies that helps you to be better than others, that helps you to be a different investor, a different trader, a better trader. So we are coming in London for a couple of days. We are going to host this workshop. Join there, experience it. It is experiential. Experience it and be a better trader and investor. It's an outstanding opportunity that we are going to spend a couple of days together over there. Okay? So see you in the program and have a wonderful time on economics. Thank you very much. Pranam.